What is a plate appearance in baseball, and why does it matter? Imagine stepping up to the plate and facing a pitcher. Every time you do that, whether you swing and miss or hit a home run, it counts as a plate appearance. That's what a plate appearance is in baseball. It's recorded each time a batter completes a turn at bat, no matter what happens next. If the batter gets a hit, walks to first base, gets hit by a pitch, strikes out, or even sacrifices a runner, it all adds up to one plate appearance. Now, it's important to know that not all plate appearances are the same as at-bats. At-bats only count when the batter's turn ends with a hit or an out, but walks, hit by pitches, and sacrifices don't count as at-bats. So, a player can have many plate appearances without having a high number of at-bats. This difference helps give a full picture of how often a player gets to face a pitcher and try to get on base. Why does this matter? Because plate appearances are used to calculate key batting stats like on-base percentage and slugging percentage. On-base percentage shows how often a player reaches base in relation to their total opportunities, which include walks and hit by pitches. If a player draws a lot of walks, their on-base percentage can be high even if they don't get many hits. This makes plate appearances essential for understanding a player's overall offensive contribution. Players who lead in plate appearances usually play in almost every game and stay in the lineup longer. They often bat near the top of the order, giving them more chances to get on base and score runs. These players are rarely taken out for strategic reasons, which means they get to face pitchers more often. Sometimes, players with many plate appearances don't have the most hits but still make a big impact because they get on base through walks or hit by pitches. In the world of baseball statistics, plate appearances help paint a complete picture of a player's offensive role. They include all the ways a player can reach base or end their turn at the plate, not just hits or outs. This makes them a vital part of evaluating how often a player gets a chance to contribute to their team's scoring. Whether it's a player who hits a lot or one who draws many walks, their total plate appearances tell us how involved they are in the game's offensive action.